In this week's tip of the week, we're going over if you have like exhibits or you need to number things throughout your document and a paragraph doesn't exactly work, because like in this example, you've got exhibit 4 in the middle, depending on the number. In this case, if you have the number of defendants, what does it look like and how would you accomplish that? So this can be a common situation where you need to be able to continue to number the amount of exhibits, but you really don't know how many exhibits are going to be in the document. So in this example, I've got my list of defendants, and each defendant's going to end up with an exhibit. So what I can do is I can take, because I'm within a list, I can do and you can't quite see it here, but it's an underscore index. Underscore index will give you a number of how many people I'm in. So if I have 5 of them, then the first one will actually be 1. The second one will be 2. So it actually tells you at which defendant you're on. And then you just add 4 to it. So because I've got an exhibit of 4, and then this will print out with the exact right number of exhibits. So if Johnny Smith were defendant 1, this is going to say 5. If Mary Smith is the second defendant, then this is going to print out as 6. So this is a good way in Knackly that you can go through and help get exhibits or other things based on numbers that you might need that are going to expand and contract that you can use in Knackly. Thanks for watching our tip of the week.